Stacy Sandlin. I'm a stay-at-home mom. We're a family of 4. Well, actually, if you want to put it, we're a family of 6 because we have 2 dogs. We've lived here for 23 years. When we first moved here, our electric bills were $60, $70 a month. My last electric bill was $396. Last year, I was paying 11 cents a kilowatt hour. It's gone 2 cents. And 2 cents, people may think, oh, it's only 2 cents, but 2 cents is a lot when you add it up. I'm really tired of the big companies getting rich while we're still having to pay more. I was brought to power by my consultant, Judy Alva. I've never met somebody that is more willing to help out. She was out here every step of the way for our install. It feels like a family. You can talk to anybody. All the consultants are there. And I know there are a lot of people on the fence. We had been on the fence for a long time. Can we really afford it? Is it really going to save me money? We decided to take the leap of faith, and I have seen a dramatic difference. Going with power and going with solar panels and the battery backup system, you can help. Even if it's just a little, you can take away from your carbon footprint. I can't wait to see 6 months down the road to see exactly how much I am saving, and that I don't have to fork out $300, $350 a month anymore. And that's what I'd like to be able to put out to everybody else. It's like, think long and hard. Is this really right for you? That's the best thing you can do.